not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of yesterday's video. Do download it, mentioned in the description below. Now let's start. Sohrabuddin was encountered in which of the following year? 2004, 2005, 2006 or 2007? The answer is B, 2005. Sohrabuddin Sheikh along with his wife Kausarbi and their aide Tulsiram Prajapati were killed in a fake encounter in the year 2005 in the state of Gujarat. Now, the main reason for their encounters, the police official claimed that these people were associated with the banned global terrorist organization Lashkar-e-Toiba, LET and the Pakistan Intelligence Agency ISI, that is Inter-Services Intelligence. Earlier, it was alleged that Sohrabuddin Sheikh had planned to create communal chaos in the state by assassinating an important political leader. It was believed that they have planned to assassinate the then Chief Minister of Gujarat, Narendra Modi, in the year 2005. Followed by these encounters, in the year 2010, the Supreme Court hands over the probe to CBI, and few police officials blamed the then Modi's Home Minister Amit Shah for ordering these series of encounter killings. In July 2010, CBI arrests Amit Shah and charge sheets against 38 persons. In 2014, the special CBI court discharges Amit Shah from the case. And yesterday, December 21st, 2018, the special CBI court acquits all the 22 accused in the case, observes that there was a lack of evidence and witnesses against these people and the prosecution had failed to establish charges against them. Which states are progressing at a faster rate towards sustainable development goals set for the year 2030? Kerala and Maharashtra, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, Kerala and Himachal Pradesh. The answer is D, Kerala and Himachal Pradesh. Very important, these two states are progressing at a faster rate towards achieving the sustainable development goals set for the year 2030. Recently, Niti Aayog reports came out on states' performances. Now, they gave the scores ranged between 0 to 100. 100 score is the states achieving the targets of sustainable development goals and 0 score is a worst performance in the SDGs. India's overall score is 57 out of 100. Now, these scores reflect a state's progress in goals such as ending poverty, ensuring healthy lives, gender equality, sustainable water management, etc. Uttar Pradesh and Bihar are progressing at very lower state compared to other states. Remember, sustainable development goals we have discussed earlier. They are the 17 global goals set by the United General Assembly in the year 2015 to be achieved by the end of 2030, also known as the Agenda 2030. You need to remember all the 17 goals by heart, very important from exam point of view. Which state is the top scorer on the goals to do with the eradicating poverty? Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu or Goa? The answer is C, Tamil Nadu. Now, the state of Tamil Nadu is the top scorer for eradicating poverty. Tamil Nadu's score on eradicating poverty is 66. It also tops the list on clean and affordable energy. So, remember all these states, Himachal Pradesh, Kerala and Tamil Nadu topped the developmental index, with Himachal Pradesh and Kerala with 69 score and Tamil Nadu with 66 score. And among union territories, Chandigarh is the front runner with the score of 68. Center releases notification by authorizing how many agencies for data interception? 10 agencies, 11 agencies, 12 agencies or 13 agencies? The answer is A, 10 agencies. The center releases the notification by authorizing these 10 agencies for the data interception. the 10 central agencies to tap the data on citizens' computers from now onwards. Your privacy is in danger. The 10 agencies can intercept, monitor, decrypt the data from your computers and mobile phones. Now, these 10 central agencies include the Intelligence Bureau, the Narcotics Control Bureau, the Enforcement Directorate, the CBI, the RAW, etc. Government order is based on Section 69(1) of the Information Technology Act 2000. Now, very important, this act and the year previously asked in the State Public Service Commission. This act makes service providers liable to share information with the government. Now, the opposition slams the government for this notification, giving superpowers to these 10 agencies, as right to privacy is the fundamental right of every citizen. Who will lead as the captain of Women's ODI Tour of New Zealand in the year 2019? Harmanpreet Kaur, Smriti Mandhana, Mithali Raj, Julian Goswami. The answer is C, Mithali Raj. Mithali Raj is named as a captain for Women's ODI Tour of New Zealand, which starts from Jan 24, 2019, and T20 captain is named as Harmanpreet Kaur. Mission Indradhanush, which aims to immunize all children, provides vaccines to how many preventable diseases? 5 preventable diseases, 6, 7 or 8? The answer is C, 7 preventable diseases. The third round of Mission Indradhanush is on 22nd of December 2018 today itself. Now, the main aim of Mission Indradhanush is to immunize all children under the age of 2 years as well as all pregnant women against 7 vaccine preventable diseases. You need to remember all these 7 vaccine preventable diseases names, very important from exam point of view, previously asked in the math the followings: diphtheria, whooping cough, tetanus, polio, tuberculosis, measles and hepatitis B. Remember all these names, and all these vaccines are available at free of cost at the nearest government health facilities. Which of the following is the debutant team in the latest edition of Premier Badminton League 2018? Pune 7 Aces, Hyderabad Hunters, Delhi Dashers, Chennai Smashers. The answer is A. Pune 7 Aces is the debutant team in the latest edition of PBL 2018. Last year 2017 PBL winner was Hyderabad Hunters. Now the season 4 starts today. The first match is between the Hyderabad Hunters versus debutant Pune 7 Aces. Hyderabad Hunters captain is PV Sindhu and Pune 7 Aces captain is Carolina Marin. Total 9 teams are participating in the PBL 2018 event. Just pause the video once and go through all the names of all these teams, very important. National Mathematics Day is observed every year on which day? December 22nd, December 23rd, December 24th, December 25th. The answer is A, December 22nd. In the year 2012, the Indian government declared 22nd of December to be National Mathematics Day to observe the birthday of the mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. Now, though Srinivasa Ramanujan had no formal training in pure mathematics, he made substantial contributions to mathematical analysis, number theory, infinite series, continued fractions, including solutions to mathematical problems considered to be unsolvable. Let's see the question for the day. Which of the following Bollywood actress is named as a PETA Person of the Year for 2018? Now, PETA is Persons for Ethical Treatment of Animals. The options are Aishwarya Rai, Sonam Kapoor, Priyanka Chopra or Deepika Padukone. Mention your answers in the comment section. Let's see the answer for yesterday's question. Who is the former Indian Kabaddi captain who announced retirement? The answer is C, Anup Kumar. Now, Anup Kumar was the captain of Indian national Kabaddi team. In the year 2012, the Government of India conferred on him the Arjuna Award for his achievement in the sport of Kabaddi. He was a successful raider of Pro Kabaddi League. He played for U Mumbai and Jaipur Pink Panthers. Quote for the day: believe you can and you're halfway there. This is it for today. Have a happy weekend. See you on Monday. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.